Hello, cricket fans. Get ready for a huge test cricket battle as England take on Pakistan in the first test at Headingley, Leeds. The match is scheduled for Wednesday, August 19, 2026, with play starting at 3:00 p.m. Pakistan time. At the moment, the match has not started, so there is no actual live score yet. England and Pakistan are both 0 for 0 before the first ball. England will be led by Joe Root, while Pakistan will be captained by Salman Agha. England have a powerful squad with big name, including Harry Brook, Ben Duckett, Ollie Pope, Dan Lawrence, and Jamie Smith. Their bowling attack is also very dangerous, with Jofra Archer, Gus Atkinson, Brydon Carse, Ollie Robinson, and Shoaib Bashir among the key players. Pakistan also have plenty of experience. Mohammad Rizwan, Imam ul Haq, Shan Masood, and Saud Shakil will be important with the bat, while Mohammad Abbas, Mohammad Ali, Khurram Shahzad, and Sajid Khan will lead the bowling attack. This match could be a fascinating battle between England's pace attack and Pakistan's batting lineup. Headingley can offer something for the fast bowlers, so the first session could be very important. The big question is, can Joe Root's England start the series with a victory, or will Salman Agha's Pakistan shock the home side? The first ball is scheduled for 3:00 p.m. Pakistan time, August 19 at Headingley, Leeds. Stay connected for the toss, playing XI, live scores, wickets, and all the major updates. England versus Pakistan, the first test is almost here. Who will win, England or Pakistan? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.